I'm back with another video, and today we're going to be going to my nail salon, Nail Addicts, and I'm going to be doing my boyfriend's nails to match mine. Now I haven't done my other hand yet because I don't know if I'm going to keep this set. I like it because I love the green and the Shrek. I don't know if you saw my last video. I paint these Shrek nails, so go check it out. But we're going to do some nails to match mine with him. We're going to be using this like little TikTok roulette filter thing and letting it pick which characters I paint on his nails. I'm hoping he gets Lord Farquaad because, oh my god, he's so stupid and funny looking. But let's get on into it. I'll see you guys there. Let's go. He takes forever to get out of the house. Why do guys take so long to get out of the house? Hello. Look what's playing. For the first roulette, he got Gingy, and the second one, he got Shrek. We're gonna be matching. Start by prepping his nails using Da Bomb Cuticle Bit, which I also sell on my website. And I'm just gonna be nipping some cuticles and prepping the nail. I always like to dehydrate using Valentino Beauty Pure's dehydrator, and then today I'm gonna be using my new rubber base coat. The difference between a regular gel base coat and this rubber gel base coat is that it's just a bit more thicker, which I prefer. It helps fill any like grooves or imperfections of the natural nail, and it also helps strengthen the natural nail as well. After I got the outline of Shrek in white, I went in with highlight from Bio Seaweed Gel. I think it's the perfect Shrek green. Now my key to shading characters is mixing clear top coat with black or whatever base color you use, a little bit of a darker color, so like a dark green I mixed into this too. I kind of just look at an image and lay it all down, and it starts to just come together. He was so hard though because it was such a tiny canvas for this big Shrek face. By the way, you guys, in this video I am using my 9mm liner brush that I sell on my website. Everything I'm using in this video I'm going to link in the description below. Look at how cool he's coming out. I swear shading makes such a difference when you're doing character nail art. Now we're moving on to painting Gingy. For this, I used a custom color. I mixed Mocha from Bio Seaweed Gel with like some orange. Now I'm gonna move on to using my little baby blender brush to shade to give him some dimension. I like to do like little tapping motions, and I use this brush dry, by the way. I also laid down a bunch of little white specks, and I'm just blurring it to give him some cookie texture on his body. And now it's time for little frosting facial features, and I think the key to this is really just making it look three-dimensional by adding little shading under each facial feature. As you can see, I'm doing it under the mouth. I did it under the eyebrows and only on one spot, like the underneath, where light would be hitting the top but leaving shadows underneath the pieces of his face. I'm gonna be doing the same thing right now with these little frosting arms, and look at the little gumdrop buttons. I can't stand how cute they came out. On the other nails, we like to keep it simple, and we're just gonna be doing some cool drips. I always do white before doing any neon color ever, almost ever, just to really make it pop. Just like before, I'm using the highlight from Bio Seaweed Gel over this white. Now time for the reveal. Look at how cool. Oh my gosh, I can't stand it. Which one is you guys' favorite? Let me know in the comments. And of course, he loved them, you know. He's so much fun. I swear to God, like, he supports everything I do, and I love that about him. The final look, we kept it manly with a pop of fun, you know. And here's our matching manicures. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye, guys.